Alright, we're in the 2019 Audi Q7. Michael as our driver.
Right on.
It's going to demonstrate.
I'm going to push the park assist button.
There we go.
Get that message.
And it's looking for space. Now, we're going to park it over in that space right there. The car is currently looking for space that is suitable. Oh, it found a space.
It's still asking me to go forward.
And now it says to put it in reverse. So we'll do that. And then
It had a message just to keep my foot on the brakes. Yep. And you got the bird's eye view cam confirming our cars around us. Just giving it a little bit of gas.
so all you have to do is give it some gas.
Well,
to get
at
it
this
going.
point, yeah, if we're not going fast enough, you can help it out a bit, right? And wheels going again. And I'm going to get a message on a dash telling me to go back to drive in a sec.
Oh, that's some pretty severe steering it's doing.
Hands off the wheel, you can probably break a finger or something.
Yeah, it's spinning that wheel.
Oh, it did in the first shot. So otherwise, when I did it before, it actually had me go drive and then come back again for a second pass. But yeah, it did in one shot.
Perfect.